Muscle up, Big Herc 916. Man, I'm going to drive the Green Machine for the holidays. It's not all the way done. It still has to get a 91 tune on it and have a few things like touched up, but it's drivable. I'm out here in SoCal, and I figure while I'm here, I might as well drive it for a couple days since I'm spending Christmas out here. So yeah, man, I'm not gonna be racing the car, doing anything crazy, but I will be able to drive the Green Machine. I'm stumbling. I'm so excited. I haven't driven this car in 5 years. So excuse my demeanor if I seem a little flustered or a little bit anxious, but yeah, 5 years since I've driven this car. And, is on the road for a hot minute. I still have to take it back to the shop and have them do a few things. I gotta take it to the paint shop, have them touch up some stuff. The interior is dirty, you know. I mean, it's got shop filth on it, but I could drive the car. Dash is in, all the electronics work. We're about to get on the road, see how you feel. I'm gonna have to get some bigger tires in the back, and it's pretty stiff. It's got coilovers with new body bushings. The frame has been blocked, so the car it's a nice stiff drive. It's not sloppy, but we about to get on the road and see how I feel. Yeah, man. So we rolling. We're rolling in a Green Machine. 5 years in the making, man. Restoring these old schools is always a pain in the butt, but I finally got it done. And you don't know how many times, man, I came close to selling this car, but I'm glad I kept it. I got married in this car in Vegas, so it does have some sentimental value to me, and I put a lot into it. And the thing about these cars is, when you get them from other people, you don't know exactly what they did to it. So you're kind of like, you know, unless you got all the paperwork, you're kind of rolling the dice, because people a lot of times sell older cars when they can't get them dialed in right, and then they don't tell you what's wrong with them. So you take on their problems. 4L60E transmission with I got an LQ9 engine that's been stroked. A lot of aftermarket parts. I got a whole list. I don't know all of them off the top of my head. This motor was built like 3 or 4 years ago, and so you know, a lot of the stuff is not fresh, but I'm glad I can finally see everything working. You know, I seen it on the dyno, but putting it in the car and driving with it's a totally different thing. It's almost surreal driving the car right now. Crazy, man. Pretty stiff ride. It's got the coilovers, like I said, and I put some bigger tires, thinking to smooth the ride out a little bit. So I'm gonna eventually do that too. I'm not gonna really get on it crazy. Just watching the temps and monitoring anything that may be possibly of concern. Just cruising. Motor barely has any miles on it. freeway run. Orange County to LA. Shout out to Muscleup Cars. To everybody who made this happen, man, put it together. Shout out to my homie Ray. It's kind of a love-hate thing with an old school, man. Especially when you're building it and you're going through the motions. And this is the second time I went through this car. Feels tight though. Yeah, buddy. Muscle up. I still got to get a 91 tune on them. So yeah, man, you guys make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, and go to BigHurt916.com. I'll be dropping some new merch for the channel real soon. Once I'm actually out and about with the car, and so, you know, I want to bring you guys into the fold and keep you in the loop. Hopefully catch you at a car show. To all the old schools out there, everybody repping Chevy, repping Chevelle, repping Muscleup Cars, shout out to you. Do that thing and muscle up. To pick up a limited edition GTA poster signed by me for $10, or with your purchase of a Wig Splitter Porsche t-shirt, I'll throw in a free poster signed by me for you.
Tired of smelling funky? Have you lost your ad? Go to BigHurt916.com and get to Nutsack Run.